Christina.
Hey, Vanessa.
Welcome to the Broad Exchange building.
Thank you for having us.
I know, can you believe this lobby?
It's so gorgeous. Tell us a little bit about the building.
It's so majestic, right? It was built in 1902 by Clinton and Russell, Italian Renaissance revival style. And we actually restored the plaster original ceiling.
It's beautiful.
It's like you've arrived. We have 308 apartments here. The building was converted in 1997 to a residential building. Full service luxury building, 24-hour doorman concierge. We have a lot of amenities, about 8,000 square feet of amenities. Fabulous roof deck on the roof with cabanas, barbecue grills, lounge chairs. We have a residence lounge. We have a golf simulator, children's playroom, yoga room, valet for dry cleaning and housekeeping. You have it all.
You have it all here. Every time I bring clients into this building, they love it. And I'm so excited to share it with more people.
Great, I would love that. I would love that.